Hello everyone. You are planning to go abroad for study for UG courses or master degree. So this video is for you. In this video, I am going to talk about top 3 countries in Europe. I will start from number 3, that is Austria. So here you will get affordable living cost. Like per month, your living cost will be around 30 to 35,000. Then the quality of education. So if I talk about the education, so here their education quality is also high, and their fees. So per year you have to pay around 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs for UG courses, and for PG courses is slightly low, like 2.5 lakhs per year or 3 lakhs per year. Then number 2, that is Poland. This is one of the low living cost area or country in Europe. Like per month you will have to pay around 10,000 to 15,000 including food and mess and everything. Then the fees, so for master degree or UG courses you have to pay around per year 2.5 or 3 lakhs per year. So here also you will get more high quality education, and as well as their living cost is low. I mean, it's quite affordable than Austria. Then number 1, that is Germany, which is one of the most it gives most or more high education quality than these two, Poland or Austria. So in Germany for UE students, so for them their fees for the courses, that is 0%, and for us, like for Indian student and other students except from UE countries or UE, I mean the Europe. So for there also their fees is affordable. I mean like 2.5 or 3 lakhs for whole program. You can also get for technical courses like BC or MTech, BTech. For them also, for mainly for the technical courses, their fees are too less than other programs. And for master degree, I mean for PG courses also, their fees are also low than Poland and Australia. And the living cost, so here you have to pay around 20 to 25,000 per month, including food, transportation, everything. Now comes to the conclusion. So if you are looking for a minimum living cost with a higher quality education, to go with Germany. So it will be one of the best choice for students like us. Then number 2 is also Poland. So here the living cost is too low than Germany or Austria. Austria. Then the Austria, as I said, their living cost and the fees are also same like Poland, but their living cost is higher than Poland or Germany. Around 30 to 35,000 you have to pay per month. And if you can afford the fees and the living cost, you can choose Austria also. So these 3 are best choice for you for study abroad. For who are looking for technical courses, so you can opt Germany for BTech or BSc or BCA courses. So it is your opinion. You can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.